여기다가 영실아 하고 궁금한 걸 물어봐봐.
여기다.
응.
영실아, 내 앞에 누가 있니?
20대로 보이는 여자가 미소를 짓고 있네요.
어때? 신기하지?
아, 신기하네.
Welcome to Sightwalk. For instructions, please swipe to the right. There are two big buttons on the screen. At the top side is the real-time object detection module. At the bottom side is the money classification module. Tap once at the screen to identify the buttons. This button lead to object detection page. Hold to confirm. This button lead to money classifier page. Hold to confirm. This button lead to object detection page. Hold to confirm. Navigating to object detection. Car, car, car. Navigating to money classifier. Slide to the left to take a picture, and slide to the right to navigate back home. $50 ringgit.